crimes courts featured local bifungi loop and an application challenging remand by the Deputy Director of Valuations and Estate Management in the Ministry of Local Government, Public Works and National Housing. Rejoice Patsvakavamwa and the Registrar of Valuers Lazarus Chimba was yesterday dismissed and the pair will stand trial. Former Zimbabwe Finance Minister Ignatius Chombo, who was among those detained by the military when they seized power before Robert Mugabe resigned this week, arrives at court on to face corruption charges in Harare, Zimbabwe, November 25, 2017. Reuters. Philemon Bulawayo Patsvakavamwa 43 and Chimba 70 are facing allegations of facilitating the transfer of council property worth $900,000 into ex-finance minister Ignatius Chombo's name. Harare Magistrate Musrum Bidzai Mugwagwa ruled that the application lacked merit and the pair will have the day in court. Patsvakavamwa and Chimba are accused of violating Section 4A of the Prevention of Corruption Act, Chapter 916. They are being represented by Messrs. Admire Rubar and Joel Mambara. It is alleged that the pair connived with Chombo, Psychology Chiwanga, IBEN Francisco, James Chiangwa, Teresa Chenjere and Elias Chotu. The prosecutor, Mr. Edmore Nyazamba, is alleging that Chimba wrote a document dated June 13, 2008 to the city of Harare, indicating that he had no objection to a double transfer of a property in Glenlawn to Alois Chimere. He also did not object to Chimere being given title deeds of the said property, which had been illegally acquired and was sold to him by Chombo. According to the state, Chimba influenced Harare City Council to illegally get compensation of the said piece of land, which had been sold by Chombo. Patsvakavamwa, it is alleged, authored another document on June 25 of the same year addressed to City of Harare, confirming that the property had been sold to Chombo. She further instructed Francisco to transfer the property into Chombo's name, the court heard. It is further alleged that by so doing, Chimba and Patsvakavamwa acted contrary to and inconsistent with their duties as public officers, as their actions had the effect of showing favor to Chombo and Chimere. Among serious charges Chombo is facing of violating Section 4A of the Prevention of Corruption Act, Chapter 916 by allegedly conniving with Chiwanga, Patsvakavamwa, Francisco, Chiangwa, Chenjere, Chotu and Chimba to forge documents used to transfer the Glenlawn, Harare, property from the Harare City Council to Chimere. Chombo is also accused of allocating residential stands to illegal settlers at White Cliff Farm in Harare before demanding and receiving a bribe of a 3,712 square meter stand from the landowner to remove them. The landowner, Eddie's Fagari Property Developers Private Limited, lost property worth $200 million in the process. The Herald. Lazarus Chimba. Rejoice Patsvakavamwa, previous post community service for ex-Mayor, housing director. Next post teen trio drugs, sexually abuses girl support Nihanda Radio Donatia.